The story begins 40 years ago, when I used to be in my grandmother's garden every day. Who doesn't have such a garden in their memories? Whether it's grandma's or a family member or friends, these moments remain indelible. This garden, with its colors, scents, and healing properties, is what I have carried inside me for so many years, and it is exactly what I wanted to recreate with my cosmetics.
Όλα ξεκίνησαν μέσα από αυτό το παιδικό όνειρο. Τώρα βρισκόμαστε στις εγκαταστάσεις μας στο μελισσοχώριο Ρεοκάστρου Θεσσαλονίκης, στη Βόρεια Ελλάδα. Η Garden περιποιείται την γυναίκα, τον άντρα, το παιδί, όλη την οικογένεια. Η γκάμα των προϊόντων μας είναι πολύ πλούσια και μπορείτε να τη βρείτε σε χιλιάδες ελληνικά φαρμακεία, καθώς επίσης και σε φαρμακεία στην Κύπρο και σε πολλές άλλες διεθνείς αγορές, όπως επίσης και στο website μας. Καλώς ήρθατε στον κήπο μας!
Welcome to our garden. In Garden, everything was born from a smile and an inner need to make more people feel beautiful inside out. An intrinsic inner health, which will radiate beauty and radiance. With these ingredients, the first products were created for a company that will make you smile because of wellness. Principles fundamental to the foundation of the company and its individuals, with a primary goal of inner nobility, beauty of the soul, and creativity. In our facilities in Thessaloniki, in our own garden, we research and develop beauty products with respect and corporate responsibility. We offer products that turn into wellness experiences, as all senses are stimulated through our textures and unique fragrances. We combine the knowledge of biotechnology and pure raw materials that the Greek land generously provides us, resulting in high quality and reliable products. The team behind Garden works every day to create cosmetics that meet modern environmental conditions and skin needs. Aiming the satisfaction of demanding consumers, tests of stability, quality, and traceability are carried out at every stage of research and production procedures. Our goal is to give you the experience of harmony in your own garden.